Alright, so what is this? This is the third day. Today is Wednesday. We left on Sunday from Florida, and now we are in Buttermilk State Park in Ithaca. And I'm here with my son. Hey, actually I'm here with all three of my kids. This is my youngest, and that's my oldest right there. Okay, so we are going to go on a trail hike. Now, yesterday I did some filming. Oh, Michael's, he's over there. I have no idea what he's doing. Okay, I'm not going to scream his name. But yesterday we went to a gorge, and we did a lot of walking because we toured my son's school, Cornell, and there was so much walking. Oh my God, I feel bad about all of the, I don't know, all the burgers and all the junk that I ate coming up here. So as far as any weight, remember I said if you saw any of my videos, you know that I was trying to lose weight so that when I come up here for my son's graduation, you know, I'd be looking great. I'd be looking thin. But I did lose some weight. I lost about 10 pounds, but I've been climbing right on up that scale. And my husband, he was taking pictures of me in all my glory. So, yeah, I've got some work to do with myself. But we're going to go on a hike right now. And what I'll probably do is I will show you like where my son was staying. Possibly the campus, because I've already done that one. But anyhow, we're going to get started. Okay, so this is where everybody seems to keep getting lost and gravitating toward. I don't know, this is just water running through a creek or something. Okay. I mean, it's gorgeous out here. We haven't started our trail walk. It's just everybody just kept walking over this way when I need to go to the bathroom. Okay, you guys coming? We're starting the trail walk over here. Okay, so I did my first video the night that we arrived in North Carolina. So we left Florida, we got to North Carolina. I did a video of that. I also did another video yesterday touring Ithaca College, but I uploaded that video on my second channel. Whoa, oh, this is steep. I just need you to see this. Okay, so I'm gonna go down this. Whoa, oh my God. Let me tell you, I would really be thin if I lived here. Between the weather and all of the stairs and hills, I would definitely be thin. And I love nature. Nature just brings this balance back to a person's life, or at least it does for me. I love being in nature. I love hiking trails. I love looking at the beautiful sunlight and the weather. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I got my sneakers on. Yesterday I had on slides. I don't know why I put slides on, but I had slides on. Wasn't really thinking that I was going to be doing much walking. I thought I was just going to drive through the campus because, you know, the campus is pretty much closed. So I wasn't expecting to really do any kind of actual walking. But we parked and we walked the campus, and the campus is huge. Look at me, I'm already getting winded, and we just started. After we finished with the campus, we went to, I believe it was Ithaca Falls Gorge. Whoa. There are rocks out here. and we started walking there. And when I say, okay, so I put sneakers on to go out there. There were steep stairs. Now I know going up was difficult. In fact, going up nearly killed me. Going down was even worse. Okay, as I'm going down, I'm realizing that my knees hurt. What happened to the time when I could walk and I had so much energy when I was younger, and now it's just seeping away? Bike riding is hard. Walking is hard. The only thing that's not hard is putting a burger to my mouth. Okay. But I'm going to have to rethink that keto diet. I'm going to have to rethink my whole diet plan, because I was really looking forward to being halfway to my goal. At least 45 pounds lost. But 10, and I'm starting to gain it back. It's pathetic. I got to really get my workout program together, my exercise program. Now, this son right here, he's got his workout and diet program together. I think he got mad with me.
Huh?
He got mad with me last night because you thought I was trying to force you to eat fast food.
That's not why I got mad at you. I got mad because I tried to get everyone what they wanted, and y'all was making it more difficult than it had to be.
See, I wasn't being indecisive.
You wanted Subway.
Because I knew exactly what I wanted. Subway.
I said, Mom, I'm going to take you back to the Subway, right? What Quincy want? Taco Bell.
Okay, he wanted Taco Bell.
Where was Taco Bell? That was across the street from where we was sitting. What did you want, Jonathan? Chipotle. Where was that? 2 feet from this nigga. He just had to walk out the car.
Okay, here we go.
Right
up the hill.
Really? Why are we talking about Chipotle?
Oh my God, we're going up a hill now.
That's where everything.
Now I gotta expend some energy. I don't even need to think about food.
Yeah.
Where are you stopping? Oh my God. And take a break.
You didn't take what?
Okay, see, I'm glad I'm not the only one. No, I shouldn't say that. That's not right. I was about to say, I'm glad I'm not the only one whose fitness has gone downhill. That's not true. I'm not glad about it. You need to get it together, because you're thin. Okay, I need to take a breath. I should have brought that water with me, because I'm already thirsty. Oh my God. Okay. Hiking while fat. That's a shame. Okay. Oh my God, it's a lot of rocks. Let me show you this. Okay. Oh, I just didn't want to carry the bottle, but I really need to bring some water with me. Okay. Look at how, oh my God, you could just roll down and really hurt yourself, huh? Wow. The last thing you need to do is slide off of this. Do a accidental slide. Oh my God. I remember being in Colorado when it was winter time and it was snowing, and there are a lot of mountains. So you're driving on the side, on the mountains, and the side of the mountain is like this. Okay, steep like this, where you could just roll right on off the road. Coupled with the fact that it's dark, it's snowing. Those mountains look like monsters to me. It was scary. But I really love Colorado.
I feel like I just did that.
What?
Well, I feel like I just had to go through that. How was that?
You did that?
Here, very recently, because it was snowing when I got back here.
Mhm.
Yeah, when I got back to school in January for the snowstorm.
Oh my
We were
God.
Connecticut.
So what did you do? You flew into Connecticut and drove here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, driving in the snow. That's not fun. Where did Jonathan go?
You right there.
I swear if Jonathan had a nickname, it would be Where's Jonathan? If he had a TV show, it would be called Where's Jonathan? I want you to notice this. Every time Jonathan's with us, somebody's going to say, Where's Jonathan? He always disappears. What is he doing? That one's always disappearing and reappearing. Okay, here we go. More. These are smaller stairs. Okay, here we go. Ah! Now, ooh, ooh. Okay. Now these stairs, stepping down is not as bad, but the ones that I was on yesterday, I don't know, it was a deeper step down. So, oh, there he goes. He's taking pictures of me, and the pictures come out fat. And I swear, it just looks like a head of a smaller person on a fat body. Why? I want to be thin.
Should we wait for them?
Huh?
Should we wait for them?
Where'd they go? Oh,
John- Connie's
Jonathan
taking
is-
pictures and Jonathan, he's back.
Jonathan is doing God knows what.
Oh, he's on his phone.
Okay. Oh, I love the great outdoors. Wonder how far this. Ooh, I wonder how far this goes. Yeah, I'm gonna try to climb this branch, huh? No, I can do it. I want to get over there to this and walk across. So right now I'm on this branch. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Uh-oh. What? Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna do it. What? Ah! Whoa. I'm up. I'm up. I don't think I'm gonna go across. Okay, he's mad at me. I at least got up on the branch. They're like, now if you need a hospital, look at Jonathan's face. I'm not even gonna look at you.
Go across the bridge.
Where's your adventure?
Go across the bridge.
I would hate to fall down in this. No, I guess I'll get off. Whoa, wait a minute. Uh-oh. No, get away from me. Oh, okay. Huh? Okay.
Yeah. I want to do it now. Can I do it?
Go ahead. Only the branch, okay?
But that's
Only
no
the
fun.
branch. I don't want you to go across.
That's no fun.
Because if you fall down, you're gonna fall in between those other
Break
trees.
easy.
Come on, just. Well, it wasn't for me.
Alright.
Yeah, pull your pants up. Hold on to the tree. Okay, well you got up there easier than me. But look, if you look down, then you can see if you make the wrong step, you could fall down inside there. But I think that if we were careful, we could make it.
Yeah, that was easy.
On the side?
Yeah,
Like the land?
yeah.
No.
Why wouldn't we make it?
There's dirt. Look at the tree.
Yeah, what about the tree? We will make it.
Where'd Dad go?
He's just way up there. He, you know.
Cause she'll be talking about, oh yeah, let's go in the bush. Let's do a trail somewhere.
Okay. So what? You're trying to figure out which direction we're gonna go in? Not me. You want to leave me out? Oh, you want to leave me out of it? Okay. Well, what is this over here? That's the Lake Tremaine Trail and restrooms, and this is the gorge. Well, actually, we should go this way because the Gorge Trail is that way. But there are restrooms that way. Not that I have to use the bathroom right now, but you know, I always want to be safe. Okay. So what are we gonna do? Gorge Trail, yeah. Michael, what are we doing? Gorge Trail?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's go this way then.
Alright, I thought we were going to Gorge.
Why do I feel like that's gonna go back in the same direction that we were in? It's
Yeah,
just on the other side.
Yeah, it is.
It's on the left side.
We were going back to the car.
What the hell is this way? And they're coming back, it looks like. Which direction? Huh?
You doing that first?
We're gonna go down this way?
First, and we'll come back.
Okay, that's fine. We can do that. Come on. He wanted to leave me out of the decision. I don't know why. I'm the best person to make decisions around here.
Wait, it says the Gorge Trail is that way.
Yeah. What?
We make turkey burgers on the platform. Thank you for the meat. Much
It's
appreciated.
healthy. He always puts me to shame. We were sitting there at dinner yesterday. He made his food. He had a homemade prepared meal, and he's sitting there, and it looked really good. It looked gourmet. That's one thing I can give men. They usually cook very well, and the stuff always looks gourmet. So he's sitting there with his healthy meal, his chicken strips that he grilled or cooked or did whatever to, and his pasta salad. And here's one with Taco Bell. The rest of us had sandwiches from Subway.
The Panera told me to drive away. You looked at it for 30 seconds and said, no. Shut up. You're like, damn, what if I want something?
That's what look, you could have gotten something. You could have gotten something. I said,
You said drive off.
look, I didn't want Panera. Everybody was kind of looking like, well, we don't know. Well, I already knew I didn't want Panera.
Don't say we don't know, because you know me. I eat many, but it don't matter.
Yeah, but we would have been sitting there forever looking at the menu because you don't eat at Panera all the time.
I wouldn't care. Any man, anybody more.
Now he'll say, oh, get me anything. I'll make sure I get him anything next time.
You put the egg and flour over the chicken. You hit the button.
Oh, that was your convection oven, right? Yeah. He's using the convection oven.
Like just flat out like that? Yeah.
Couldn't you saute it?
That's when you put it on a pan?
I'm excluded from this conversation.
No, sauteing would be like cooking in a skillet. Use a large bowl-ish skillet. Not the pan and skillet moves. No, where they are. I meant like, what's that little round bowl thingy? The stir-fry bowl?
Uh-huh.
That's how you just saute it.
Well, you could have also baked it if you didn't do use the convection oven.
My oven's not working, so I can't bake nothing. I
No.
want to make mac and cheese. I can't.
What is this thing with you and mac and cheese?
That shit was good.
When did you get on the mac and cheese?
I mean, I always wanted to make mac and cheese. I just never did. All that Thanksgiving meals, I'm gonna learn to make all of them.
Well, I got plenty of cookbooks not being used. I'm gonna start cooking now.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah. Waterfall.
Oh, okay. The waterfall is back there. I don't know if you can see it from where we are. Okay, so I asked everybody if we use this setting where we are right now, it's the only thing that can't change, but you can imagine everything else. What would be the plot to your horror story? Okay, my youngest son, he comes up with this thing about the white mask, the man in the white mask going after another man to kill him. Sounds something like Jason. I asked my middle son, Connie, and what was his? What was your horror story again? What was your horror story? Somebody comes out, they get lost.
Yeah, throw a party.
You're throwing a party.
Someone's lost.
Somebody
Gotta go
gets
find
lost
them.
from the party. You gotta find them.
More gets lost. Witches.
And there are witches out here. Okay, witches.
They need sacrifices.
Oh, who need to sacrifice. Then I asked my oldest son right here. He completely ignored me. It was as though I didn't even speak.
See a big bear chasing my ass.
A big bear chasing you. Could that big bear be me?
See a deer on the road. He just got shot. Boom. I'm running down the lake.
Then I asked my
I got
husband.
a plane that comes to pick
That
me
pretty
up.
much topped it all.
I grab onto the wheel, pull myself.
He says there would be some hikers that had a baby. There was a bear chasing us. And he grabs the baby and throws it to the bear. Okay. Now, is that evil? If that were actually a movie, he would be the first to go. He would be the first to go, and everybody in the audience would be rooting for him to die. Oh, Connie's going down. Be careful. What, you're gonna go alongside this? Okay,
Where's
you're going
my
down?
super suit?
Go ahead, be careful. Just be careful.
Turn your foot the other way.
He wanted some excitement in his life.
Are you going?
I guess you're gonna be up here by yourself.
You're going down? We could do it. It's not that deep.
Who?
I mean, hell, those two went down. We can do this. Where did my sweater go? Oh, you got it. What, it fell off?
See, we don't two that stand together. That's a tough step. Everybody's supposed to go down the same route. And then the last one, that's the one that just ate. The bear and the bone.
Oh my God. Be careful.
I'm good. I'm just thinking about you right now.
Oh my God. Can I do this? Okay, I'm the next to go down. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Whoa. No, I don't think this is that hard. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna get dirty. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, I did it. I did it. I did it.
See, you should have followed him.
What, he took the easy route?
He just went in a circle. You know, I need some excitement in life, so I'm going down the hill. He's sitting by me. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's a good picture.
Cause that was good.
Oh no, what did I do with my phone?
Mine's dead.
I think I lost my phone. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I thought I lost my phone. Okay, he just got up, so can't take that picture.
So can I put my feet in the water?
Yeah, I don't see why not. Alright, so we just found this waterfall back here, and we took some pictures. Okay, this is so gorgeous, but I'm not going to try to step any further up there because I don't want to fall. Although I really don't see where it's that big a deal. Oh, I wonder what's over there. It looks like a hole. I'd like to get over there so I could see, but I'm not gonna test my luck. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video now. It's been quite some time, and I will be back with more video. What we're planning to do, I don't know if we're going to stay an extra day here or if we're going to hit the road and which route we're going to take, because that's been an issue with, you know, using our devices for tracking finding location versus Michael using a map. He wants to use a map, so I'm going to let him shine. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video right now, and I will be back with more footage later on. See you in the next video.